Are you ready to hear how we revolutionized the education system by creating a cutting-edge entrepreneurship curriculum? From the research and planning stages to the implementation of the program, we'll take you through the process and show you how we overcame challenges to create something truly special. So sit back, relax, and let us take you on a journey to the future of education. Welcome to the story of our partnership with Cincinnati Classical Academy. Through extensive research and close collaboration with a school administrator, we were able to develop a rigorous entrepreneurship curriculum that would provide students with a solid foundation for starting and growing their own businesses. Our courses were designed to inspire students to think like entrepreneurs by challenging conventional wisdom, taking risks, and persevering through failure. We also emphasized the value of continuing one's education and operating in an ethical and moral manner at all times. To ensure that students had the practical experience needed for success, we built into the program opportunities for real-world experiences such as internships, mentoring programs, and business competitions. The result of our combined efforts is a cutting-edge entrepreneurship curriculum that prepares students to succeed in the global economy. We believe that teaching students to think critically, solve problems, communicate effectively, and work together as a team will not only equip them to start their own businesses but also to become contributing members of society. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the power of entrepreneurship education. If you're interested in exploring how we can collaborate to design a curriculum tailored to your school's unique needs, we'd love to hear from you. Let's work together to empower the next generation of entrepreneurs. Contact Reversed Out Creative today.